Okay guys, so we're here today and I'm going to be showing you how to make a pillow fort. So there's a few things that you're going to need. First things first, you're going to need some pillows, preferably a lot. Next thing you need is blankets, preferably a lot. Okay, next things next, most important item on the list, you're going to need tape, preferably duct tape because it's the best. I have constructed a little bit of supports. I've used this music stand here. I'm using this lamp over here, and I got these chairs at the back acting as walls, and are gonna act as my ceiling once I get everything in place. So first thing, I gotta start building the foundation for my roof. That's why you need duct tape. You want that nice strong foundation. Duct tape everything you do. Quality. Look, this isn't gonna move. It isn't gonna break. So we got everything, all our foundation kind of set up here. Look here, we got our nice bars all over here. We got our chairs and everything. So now it's the next step. Probably the most important step of the whole fort building is choosing the right blanket. You want the perfect blanket to go up and over this and to cover hopefully as much as the wall as possible. You're gonna want to duct tape it to the foundation itself. Bam, that's secured. Nothing's gonna knock over this wall now. Nothing, impenetrable. Yeah, so you can see our wall, no holes. It's perfect, okay? You don't want to leave any openings for the barbarians to come and steal your Fruit Loops. Look at that. Structure. I could go to Harvard for structure things. Look at this glorious fort. It's looking beautiful. Now you want to pull these blankets nice and tight on top, so that way it looks like you have a solid roof. You grab your largest blanket, which you saved for last, and you're going to throw it over the whole thing, hopefully, and not break anything in the process of it. Like that. And like I said before, you can never use too much duct tape. Unless your parents say you only get one roll of duct tape. Then you can use too much duct tape. Because you need to conserve the amount of duct tape you use. Now we're going to bring you back over here. Wow. Look at that. That is a pillow fort. It's beautiful. One more thing. This is the very last thing you need to do. You want to find a pretty big pole. You want to have it poke up in the middle of your fort. The very middle. So that it looks like kind of like a tent. And that's what gives it the edge. And with your last few pillows or anything, just kind of cover up any of those spots where you feel like, oh, you know, barbarians can come in and steal my Fruit Loops. Now, guys, give you the grand tour. So here's our secret entrance. No one's gonna ever find it. Come in here. Look at all this space. And some yummy snacks. I'm gonna hide back here. Then you also got, you need to have your fan. Get that circulation going. And now look, your pillow fort is now complete. That is how you make pillow fort. Great job. You did it.